What is up, YouTube? Dave's Midlife Car Crisis here. I am super excited to finally show off my football card, rookie card spreadsheet. I've been working on this project for a couple years now, and it's been a great tool for me to use in with my collecting, keeping track of the rookie cards I have, as well as the rookie cards I need. Um, it also is something I'm working on because I am planning on selling copies of this to other rookie card collectors. If anybody's interested in that after watching this video, I do have this listed on Etsy. I will have the link to that listing in the description. And if you know me and want to just message me through Messenger or through one of our Facebook groups, please do so. I do have this on sale for $35. I thought that would be a good price, not overcharging, and I think it's fully worth it. So, well, let's show you everybody how this works. We'll start here on the bottom. So each tab represents a specific year or a decade. When you get further back into the 70s and 80s and 60s, that's where you see the decade sheets. This ranges from 1935 all the way up to 2021. Has all the top rookies from each year's rookie class. Good players in defense, offense. I try to do a little bit of a mixture. And I know some of the guys that are on this list you may not collect. Easily just take them off and put other players in just by adding or deleting a column. So let's start this off on the right or left here. We have in teal, we have the clearly donruss. So all the sets will be in the teal. All the orange will be the parallels, and then if you see an italic over here, these will be some of the insert sets. To the right, I do keep some of the parallels over here to the right just to save some room. Like these later years, these are 2,500 lines, how big the sheet is on this one tab. So like I can scroll over here. So the Y's in each set represent if the player has a card in that particular set. So say I have a copy of a clearly donless Trevor Lawrence, just a raw copy. I'm just going to type in raw to keep track of it. Yeah, it turns yellow. Say I have a PSA 10. Type that in. Turns red. And I also have a BGS, SGC, CSG, and HGA. So nice some color, different color in here to make the sheet look nice and easily you identify what you need and what you have. So you just scroll down. Next set's donruss. Keep scrolling down. Donruss Elite. I do have a lot of numbering in these cells, and even when there's two cards for a specific player in a set. So here's the Donruss Elite. Most players have two cards. So just Jamar Chase is card number 121 and is numbered to 599. He also has card number 185, numbered to 599. So that is detailed here in the cells. If the parallels or the set has numberings that are different per player, that'll also be in the cell. So like for this is Aspirations die cut. All different numbering from each player. So that is in each cell, all different. Here's the gold number to 10. This gets the Y because all these cards are numbered to 10. I also have multiplayer cards in the notes here. So this Elite Company is a 4-player card. Now the one bad thing about this sheet is that I don't know what players are on those cards except for the player I have listed here on the top. So I know Jamar Chase is on this 4-player card. I do not have the other players in the notes. That's one thing that doesn't come with this sheet. Here's what I said. Pen Pals Duels. This is a 2-player card. Let's see here. What else we got here? Rookie Phenoms Blue Hyper. So this is one set's vertical, one's horizontal. So it helps you tell the difference. Is also a memorabilia set. So if you can't tell from the name of the insert set if it's an autograph or memorabilia card, that is also on the sheet. Let's jump over here to 2017. I do have some good detail here on the photo variations. So, for example, the college ticket autographs from Contenders draft picks. The base here, Leonard Fournette, ball in both hands. This one's a catching the ball in one arm. So that is also detailed within the sheet. Here's a out of whatever set these are. Okay, this is an autographed memorabilia set, so it's marked here in the notes. So like I said, this is a very detailed sheet, and I said some parallels over here with the players next to them, so I know which players have it. Let's jump over to some of the earlier sets. So I'll come over here, pull this up. I can jump back into pre-50s. And then we have 1935, 1948. Here are the 50s, 1960s. Now I'm not super familiar with some of the great players from this era, so I just kind of took the Hall of Famers or some other guys that I guess were Ring of Honor for certain teams and stuff like that. So this is very easy for you to add other players that you have in your collection to these lists. Here are the 70s. Here in the 70s and in the 80s, I've had a couple oddball sets just to have more variety in someone's collecting experience. So, for example, 1970 Kellogg's, 1971 Bazooka. You got 80 through 81 here. So, yeah, I got Top Super, Stop and Go, St. Louis Cardinals Police, Topps Coca-Cola. So I have some other, like I said, oddballs on these too. 86. Here they got the McDonald's All-Stars. You know, obviously the Topps is going to be the main set from 86. Got 87, 88, 89. This is a little bit reversed. So I have the sets up top and then the players on the bottom because there's so many players in 89 football. And then 1990 up through 2022 or 2021 is all the same. So this is my rookie card spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like I said, if anybody's interested in using this for their collecting experience, please let me know or go to Etsy and just click on the link I'll have in the description and purchase it. And I think it's a great tool for any rookie card collector. So that's all I have for tonight. You have a good night.